So we got Brave Dullahan with triple Flugel and Unicrest U1 with Hurricane Jackie. Alright, sorry for not uploading much. I'm doing school and stuff, so yeah, here we go. I have a like go for this one. If we can get one like, and I know that's so much, one like. So as I was saying, if we get one like, I know it's really difficult to get one like, but if we do, I'm gonna go with the 20th anniversary and guess a random combo. You can even comment which Bippies you want, Dragoon to battle, or Dragoon, Dronzer, Drasil, Trigger, or Warlord to go against one of the random combos. You can even comment, or I'll figure it out. Alright. Unicrest is dominating. I should probably start watching him first. So I have a sub goal before my birthday, which is next month. If you can get to 6 subscribers, and I know that's a lot, but if you get to 6 subscribers, that would mean the world to me. Alright, 2 more battles and that's it. Alright, we're gonna do one more battle. Alright, this one will do my best watching. Well, what shows with Hurricane Jackie. With Hurricane Jackie, it dominates triple Flugel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like like I said, if you get 1 like, we could do the 20th anniversary base versus one of the random combos I'm gonna make. You can comment which bit piece you want to see battle. And yeah, see ya.